Hi guys, today I am going to unbox Garnier Skin Naturals Sun Control SPF 6 Moisturizer, and the packing is of 50 ml. I have brought it from Amazon.in, and the best part of it is that I have ordered it today and it was delivered to me tomorrow. I have brought it from rupees 270 INR since it has a dual offer. Its style name is SPF 6. As you can see, here is the box and it is very nicely packed and very hard. The packing is very beautiful, and you can see the product details, the barcode and the product, all the details of the product, the COD. Now I am gradually taking on a pair of scissors and ripping it open. As you can see here, I am taking it out. It is very hard and very tight, and now I have cut it with a pair of scissors and the product will almost be out. And here is the product. Now here is the product detail. You can see this is the bill, and here are the air pouches so that the contents may not get damaged during seepage and it may not break. And here is the product. This is Garnier Skin Naturals Sun Control SPF 6 Moisturizer, and it is also dermatologically tested. And as you can see on the side, there are product details, and it is also packed in polythene so that any damage to the product may not occur and any water or any other content may not get in. And also it is for customer satisfaction so that no one has opened it before. And here is the thing. As you can see, it is Garnier Sun Control SPF 6 Moisturizer. It helps in preventing skin darkening and premature aging. And here you can see the product logo, and this is the best part of it. And as this is the thing, it is very nice and very beautiful. And here this is it, and so you can see this is the product. It is Garnier Skin Naturals Sun Control Daily Moisturizer provided with SPF 6. And now I am going to rip it open, and here is a thin polythene, and now I am going to take it open. I am taking it out slowly bit by bit. It is a very youthful, new and just for you. So it is what I love about the packaging, and it is very great. Garnier Skin Naturals and Sun Control is an everyday solution that moisturizes your skin and protects from UVA, UVB rays and helps to prevent premature skin aging and darkening. And here you can see there are total details about Sun Control, why is it right thing for you, and how is it different from other products, and how is it work, and all the other things. And it is manufactured by L'Oreal India, and how you can use it. You can apply on it every day and gently massaging round circular movements inside, and here Garnier uses its philosophy, Garnier philosophy, why Garnier is the right product for you. And here you can see it is very nice packaging, and here there are the ingredients, water, glycerin and other components, and here which are written, and why Garnier that believes in skin beauty is natural. And here you can see there is, now I am going to take the product from the box, and here I have taken it out, and here you can see this is a beautiful place provided with orange cap. Here you can see I have completely taken out the tube. It is Garnier Skin Naturals Sun Control Daily Moisturizer, and it has a UV protection, and it is dermatologically tested. It contains Mexoryl latex to give protection from sun's UV rays, and vitamin E helps to retain from free radicals and helps to decay against the signs of aging. And here its price is 135, as you can see, and there are the total product details, and it is very nice, as you can see, very smooth. Now I'm going to unscrew the cap. Here I am taking it out. The glycerol and the extract of the coriander helps to retain against the skin drying, and it also provides skin nourishing. It can be used by both men and women alike. And now I have taken out the cream. As you can see, I have taken in my left hand, and now I will put the cap. It can also be used in winter season, but it gives very good result in summer, but it can be used throughout the year. and it can be applied in all the body parts, and it also helps in moisturizing the body. Now I have applied it on my hand, as you can see, and I can feel the very nice smooth feeling. And it can be also be used in oily skin and all skin types. It can be used in daily at home, whether or you are at work, and for better results you have to apply it daily. Anya Skin Naturals helps you to have a glowing skin, and you can glow from within. It is a natural skincare made for even the most sensitive skin types, and it delivers a hydrated and healthy skin all the year round. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.